Hi, Sean here from the tour guide. I'm standing on La Rambla in Barcelona, and today I'm going to show you the best areas to stay. Barcelona is home to 10 different districts, all with their own distinct personalities. Since each neighborhood is pretty massive, there are tons of neighborhoods within each district that also offer their own character. Whether you're in Barcelona for family vacation, romantic getaway, or even a solo adventure, there's a district or neighborhood for any type of traveler. So let's take a stroll around Barcelona and I'll show you what each neighborhood is like. Let's start off with Barcelona's historic district, Ciutat Vella, which translates to Old City. Like I said, although Ciutat Vella is its own district, it's made up of lots of different smaller neighborhoods, such as El Raval, the Gothic Quarter, Barceloneta, and more. The main streets running through Ciutat Vella is known as La Rambla. With markets, restaurants, bars, street performers, and artisan vendors, the street is a great area for shopping and eating. Staying on La Rambla is a great option if you like to be in the center of all the action. West of La Rambla, you'll find El Raval, home to art museums, bohemian shops, restaurants, and food markets. You'll recognize El Gato de Botero here, which is a giant cat statue designed by a guy named Fernando Botero. Most famously, you'll find La Boqueria here. It's a huge food market which you can actually enter on La Rambla. It's a great place to check out the local produce, meats, cheeses, and other local delicacies that make up Catalonian culture. Whether or not deciding to stay in El Raval, we recommend checking out one of our favorite bars in the city while exploring the area. Bar Marsella is an old-school absinthe bar that opened in 1820. Hemingway and Picasso used to be regulars here. And if you decide to give it a try, you'll understand why artists dig this place. It's cash only though, so you're gonna have to come prepared. While El Raval's lively and hip vibe may be ideal for young travelers on a budget, we do not recommend El Raval as the best neighborhood for families, as it can become a bit seedy and loud at night. To the east of La Rambla, you'll find the Gothic Quarter. This is the heart of the city's center. Very fit for its location in Ciutat Vella, home to iconic landmarks such as Barcelona Cathedral, Picasso Museum, Citadel Park, and Plaza Real. This neighborhood blends the old with the new, which perfectly describes the demographic of travelers who would enjoy staying here. Though filled with historical artifacts from the 13th and 14th century, the Gothic Quarter is also a hit with younger crowds, as it's home to a ton of hip bars. Bars here are small and can get packed quite quickly, so make sure you arrive early, around 10 or 11 p.m. And yes, this is early for Barcelona locals, as they usually go right from dinner to the bar. As if the Gothic Quarter didn't already feature so many attractions and things to do, the food in this specific neighborhood is pretty impeccable. If you're looking to explore the city's cuisine with an expert local, not to mention a super fun night out, you should check out our traditional Barcelona food tour with tapas, wine, and dinner, or cena. When you think Barcelona, you think tapas, okay? The tapas in the States are going to be really exquisite and crazy. There's all kinds of different stuff. But here, it's pretty simple. We're going to have pa and tomaquet, which is really, really good. The third main part of Ciutat Vella district is known as Barceloneta, a seaside neighborhood known for its beautiful beaches and marina. Once home to fishermen and metal industry workers, Barceloneta has gone through quite the transformation. Over the past couple decades, the area has experienced a ton of gentrification brought on by the 1992 Olympics. Now you can find luxurious beachfront hotels overlooking the Balearic Sea. If you're looking for Barcelona's classic nightlife scene with clubs opened up to 7 a.m., definitely check out Barceloneta. I'm here on La Rambla. I've been filming all day. I'm kind of tired, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to take a little break, maybe smell the flowers. Okay, while I'm doing that, if you could just do me a favor, and if you like the video, like the video. If you love the video, subscribe, that we get all of our content as soon as it comes out. Otherwise, just give me a little break time. Another district in Barcelona that's great to stay is called Eixample, which literally means extension. This district is located directly north of Ciutat Vella. This area is widely known for being home to some of the most significant modernist buildings in the city, such as Antonio Gaudi's Casa Milla, popularly known as La Pedrera, and Casa Batlló. accompanied by a high-class zone with the best shops, restaurants, and museums. You can find some of the most luxurious hotels in Barcelona in this district. While exploring Eixample, we recommend stopping for a bite to eat at Cerveceria Catalana, one of the best tapas spots in the area. Some of our favorite dishes include the razor clams and garlic shrimp. It might be best to go off time since the wait can get a little long during peak eating times. The main street running through Eixample is Passeig de Gràcia, which can be compared to Via del Corso in Rome, or Champs-Élysées in Paris. Featuring posh shopping, this is the street to find 4 or 5-star hotels if you're looking for a more upscale stay in Barcelona. As you walk along Passeig de Gràcia, you'll notice classic designer storefronts, Louis Vuitton, Valentino, Dior, and the likes. Sandwiched between Gucci and Burberry, and above Chanel, you can find a luxurious, majestic hotel and spa, one of the most elegant hotels in the city. If you're seeking a lavish 5-star accommodation with rooftop pool and full spa, this is a great option for Passeig de Gràcia. Other great options along this opulent street include Monument Hotel, Hotel Royal Passeig de Gràcia, and the One Barcelona. Eixample still can be hit with a younger crowd though. Specifically, the neighborhood of Sant Antoni is a great spot for millennials featuring trendy clothing stores and bars. This is also the heart of Barcelona's LGBT neighborhood. By far my favorite bar in this part of town is called Dow Jones, a New York Stock Exchange themed bar. It's fit for business people who often stay this part of town. Dow Jones drink prices fluctuate like stock prices, increasing when drinks are frequently bought and decreasing when the drink isn't popular. Heading a little bit north of the city, you'll find the Gràcia district. One of the broadest areas in the city maintains the bohemian, charismatic essence of Barcelona. Set further away from the center, this neighborhood tends to be quieter and more local vibe. We recommend staying in Gràcia if you'll be in Barcelona for an extended period of time. Because of its distance away from the center, lack of tour buses, and quiet ambiance, Gràcia is perfect for those looking to actually experience the daily life of Barcelona locals. Another great perk of staying in Gràcia is that it offers many pedestrian-only streets, so it's ideal for travelers seeking relaxing accommodation away from the city's traffic and noise. Not to worry though, Gràcia is still well connected to the rest of the city via metro system, making it convenient to access Barcelona's main attractions. Sant Martí. Sant Martí offers a mix of vacationers and locals. If you're looking for an innovative environment, visitors should look at Sant Martí, located in the eastern side. The first thing that will catch your attention is colorful skyscraper Torre Gloriez, former Torre Agbar, the face and the most notorious building of the fast-growing new technological quarter of Barcelona. To get from Sant Martí, from Barcelona city center, take the L4 metro 6 stops from Urquinaona to Poblenou. This should only take about 9 minutes by taxi or Uber. This route takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on traffic. Aside from the factories that have been converted into high-rises and business centers, Sant Martí is also a very popular area for students. Since much of the district is located on or near the beach, you'll find tons of lively nightclubs and bars that you'll hear notoriously stay open basically all night. We recommend going to Razzmatazz for the full club experience. Not to worry though, if you're staying in Sant Martí's more northwest area, the noise and the crowds of the nightclub scene shouldn't be a problem. But if you're on vacation, why not celebrate a little? Come on. So that's it. If you like this video, click the like button. If you love it, subscribe so you get all of our content as soon as it comes out. Otherwise, adios. A tour guy, I'm in Barcelona, all of our comments, all of our content as soon as it comes out. And what I was going to say is if you have a comment, leave it below and we'll answer it as soon as we can. Otherwise, adios. I'm out.